What is good? What is good? What is good? I'm going to be talking about the classic shoe that I feel, in my opinion, that is never going to go out of style, that's been around for years, to hip hop, to just lounging around and just being comfortable, to being active, to just looking cool and looking fly. I'm talking about Adidas Superstar. Yes, the all classics. Like, these are just classics. These are just classics. I know I just keep saying like all classics and stuff like that because this is definitely a classic shoe. Like, it's been around for years. So they not kinda, but I mean they look worn, and I've been wearing these out. How can I put this? I've been pretty much kind of slacking on the sneaker game, which I need to keep like coming back. Anyway, I had this shoe for a while, and I pretty much never, hardly ever wore them. Just the fact that, to me, I mean, white shoes, they don't necessarily scare me, but I'm just kind of like skeptical about like, okay, where am I going? How the weather is? How's the environment? What am I going to be stepping on? Just things like that, because it's like a white shoe. You got to be careful with them. You got to know. To me, I need to know about the whereabouts I'm about to go when I'm wearing a white shoe. I'm not saying that you can't go to the mall and whatnot with them, because I have just white shoes, period. But I'm definitely careful on how I'm stepping and where I'm stepping and what I'm doing. Like, as far as running and doing all that extra stuff, no, not me. But right now, I can't say with these shoes, because these shoes, I've been through it, and I'm going to explain why. So, and I don't know, they don't look like too bad, but they do look worn. So when I purchased this shoe the first time, I probably only wore them maybe like, this is how bad it was. Maybe like once a month, if not that, maybe twice every 2 to 3 months. And just recently, like earlier this year, I've been wearing them more than I ever wore them before. Being active, I have other shoes, but I've noticed on the floor it's a little slippery. Spinning, doing quick movements and such. So I was just like, okay, what other shoes do I have where I may have some more control? And I was like, okay, I'm gonna try. I was still able to spin, and I kind of noticed that it wasn't as slippery. So some moves I had to put a little bit more effort than others, but I had more control. Like, the friction was there when it came to this shoe. Comfort wise, my feet are narrow. They are long and skinny. Yes, they are long and skinny. The space, a lot of room. Well, let me rephrase that. I have a lot of room in these shoes, and where the room is coming from is on the sides. I don't know if this shoe is kind of like made for somebody with wide feet. In my opinion, I kind of feel like maybe just a tad bit. Not saying that this shoe doesn't fit, but if I was to go a size smaller, my toes would probably look like this. A big toe, and the rest of my toes would kind of curve, or the skin is like rubbing against the shell toe, which they pretty much call it. At the front, like literally, I feel like my toe will be there. It's not. It fits just right, like just right. So, but I have a lot of room around this area on the sides. Not saying it's uncomfortable, because I've worn these shoes all day. Like, there's been days where I wore them like all day, and my feet they weren't hurting like when I got home. And when it comes to the shoe, I mean, you can style it pretty much kind of any way you want to. I personally have done a style with these shoes where I've kind of combined girly, a little classy, with a little tomboy mixed in together. The pants was like really dressy, but the top was kind of like real, just basic and real relaxed. And how I kind of styled it with accessories and hair and makeup and so forth, it basically fit all together. Like, I've got told that it was like a different look. I don't know how, but I took the compliment, ran with it, said thank you, appreciate it, and I was like, okay, so I'm feeling good. So trusting my choices when it comes to fashion. So, I mean, fashion is definitely part of me. It's just getting back into it. It's just kind of like, okay, kind of want to explore, and that's what it's about. But these shoes, I mean, you can wear them whether if you're dressing up. And my preference rather, You can dress them down. You can dress them when you're lounging around. Like if you're going to the store right quick, shopping, hey, you can wear those. If you're going out with a group of friends, you're going out to lunch, hey, you can wear those. Going out to dinner, hey, you can wear those. Going out, going out with friends, you can wear these. Just kind of be careful because, you know, you never know who might step on them and so forth and then whatever. Cleaning wise, I definitely got to invest in some shoe cleaning products. That's something that I've used to buy on a regular basis, but hey, I got to get back in the game. So normally around the shell part, I just get a wipe and just kind of just clean them off, and then I mean, it cleans real easily. I really don't have any complaints on the sides. Rather, I mean, that's where you can definitely tell that I've been wearing them a lot. But I mean, it doesn't look that bad. I thought about maybe getting like a extra pair, like another pair, so I don't have to like use these when I'm going out, being all fashionable, and then wearing these as if the floor is slippery and I know I gotta wear these to be active in. That's why I gotta invest in some more kicks. I really don't have any complaints. And then on the tongue part, you notice how it's got the gold right here. I love that. So again, these are Adidas Superstar.